All right, so after our trip to the iron range, the engine in the Jeep is starting to go bad, so I decided go out and buy myself a van. So this week I'm going to be pulling the engine out of this thing so I can load up all my scrap in the van and get rid of that. So I got the engine ready to go for the Jeep. All right, a couple hours in, I got most of the front end tore apart. I just got to remove the intake so I can put my lift plate on, then disconnect the motor mounts and transmission. But I just figured out why I got this thing so cheap. Take you inside. All the wiring harness in here. All that got chewed up by mice. That's why I got it cheap. Well, that was a lot of work, but it's out. I didn't even expect to get this out today myself, but worked pretty hard, got it out. Now tomorrow I just got to clean up and then get it ready to go into the Jeep.